I came because my knees, and you fixed everything.
Stand up.
Yes.
How's that feeling?
No me duele.
Really?
Yeah. I don't feel pain.
Not, she's saying.
I don't feel pain anymore.
Okay. So upper back, lower back, and then the knees. And I know you were saying with the knees, it's in
Yes,
here,
doctor.
and in
Yes.
here. So right on the inside of each knee. And then even like you were saying with the accident with the dog.
Yeah,
And
he's also, she went to therapy, she went to doctors, they've done everything to her knees and nothing has helped.
nothing has helped.
No.
Oh my gosh.
And I'm getting weight because I don't walk
Because of the pain.
like before,
Yeah.
and I'm retired now. And I was an elementary school teacher for 28 years
Wow,
and
good for you.
10 years as a principal.
Okay.
But before, I was running with my students, doing a lot of exercise, and now I walk with difficultad.
Yep.
Difficulty, yeah.
Yes, and I'm gaining weight.
Because
Gain
you're not
weight.
able to walk. Well,
Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
Yes.
so it's like a double whammy with that. Jeez, okay. So knees are a big one. But before you even go down, I just want to go first on the insides here. And then let me have you go face down on the table.
Para abajo la cara.
Yeah, left leg is a little bit shorter than the right. Okay, definitely some, yeah, good bit of tightness up top here in the cervical spine. Yeah, even going right at that cervical thoracic junction, going into thoracic spine. Okay. Yeah, all this now going down. This is all locked up. Really good right in through here. Yeah, the mid to lower thoracic is really locked up. Okay. Yeah, I would say actually this region right here is where a majority of your problems are coming from. Gonna be right here.
Wow.
gonna start right up top here, right between that cervical thoracic junction. There we go. Okay. Drop down into the upper thoracic spine. Okay. Middle thoracic. There it was. And this one, take a deep breath in and out. Let's check that other side here.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're
Sorry.
good, you're good. There we go. A little bit with that one. Perfect. You can relax your arms. Let me have you lay face down again.
Como al principio. No me puedo acomodar. Okay.
Okay, yeah, even already, leg length is a lot better here. Yeah, still really tight through here. Gotta get some drops in. Okay. Yeah, I'll get both the side joints, work my way up through the lumbar spine, but I'd say L2 up is where we're gonna kind of be focusing on. Getting a lot better movement through there.
I feel a lot better now.
There we go. Okay. Let me have you flip onto your back. Boca arriba.
Sí.
Okay. From here, working on the ankle, knees going into the hips. And I know for you with the knees will be a good one. And now we're going to use a Y strap. With this, we're going to decompress your spine.
Respiro.
Breathe. Yeah, breathe regular. What did you feel?
I'm a new person. Great. Wow. It's
Like a magic hand.
yes. Unbelievable. Wow. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
Wow.
Rest.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
How do you feel?
Great.
Good.
Great. I came because my knees, and you fixed everything.
Stand up.
Yes.
How's that feeling?
No me duele.
Really?
Yeah. I don't feel pain.
What you saying?
I don't feel pain anymore. Wow.
Way better.
Perfect.
Wow.